Good morning, ma. Welcome to Alpha Online Education, Accountancy for the second year's English medium. So, see the sixth problem. From the following receipts and payments account, prepare income and expenditure account of Sports Club, Karimnagar. So, we have to prepare the expenditure and income account based on the data. What the information given regarding the receipts and payments, they given the information along with the adjustments. Means additional information is also given for that problem. So first of all, let us see what are the receipts they have given. Subscriptions, donations, legacies, entrance fee, life membership fee, sports income, sundries, sale of old newspaper. So payment side, land, building, furniture, sports material, general expenses, sports expenses, magazines, balance carried out. Okay, here adjustments, if you see here adjustments, capitalize 50% of donations, legacies, entrance fee and life membership fee. Means we have to capitalize it 50%. Okay, we have to capitalize it 50% now. Afterwards, subscription still outstanding amount is 5,000. Subscription outstanding at the end of the year means we have to add it. Beginning of the year means we have to subtract it. Depreciation, sports material and furniture 10%. Okay. So this is the problem given in your materials. Okay. In textbook material they have given this problem. Let us do the solution for this problem. So first we will write the expenditures. Okay. So what are the expenditures are there now? So depreciation is there for sports material and for furniture. So first we write to depreciation on furniture. To depreciation on furniture. What is the amount of furniture? 10,000. So 10,000 into 10 by 100. That is 0,000 cancel. That is 1,000. Next there is a depreciation on sports material also. So to depreciation on sports material. So how much is the sports material? 11,500. So 11,500 into 10 by 100. 0,000 cancel. So 1,150 is the amount. Okay. After that, general expenses 2,000 to general expenses. General expenses, how much it is? 2,000. Sports expenses 6,000 to sports expenses 6,000. Then after magazines, okay, magazines is also expenses. To magazines that is 2,000. Okay, up to here that is completed. Now what we have to do? We have to write the incomes. So they are saying that capitalized 50% of donations, legacies, entrance fee and life membership. We have to do it 50%. Means by donations. How much it is? 50,000. Right? Half. How much it is? 25,000. Next, by legacies. How much is the amount? 10,000. Half. That is 5,000. Okay. Half చేయమంటున్నాడు కదా. Capitalize 50% అంటే ఎంత? 50 by 100 చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుంది మనకు? 1/2 నే వస్తుంది. Right? Next, entrance fee. By entrance fee. ఎంత ఉంది entrance fee? 5,000 into 1/2, that is 2,500. Life membership. By life membership fee. How much is the amount? 3,000 into 1/2, 1,500. Sports income. By sports income. It is an income, right? So that's why I am writing in the income side 17,000. Next, by sundries. Sundries is means other incomes. Okay, sundries ante entidi other incomes. Next, sale of old newspaper. By sale of old newspaper. Old newspaper. How much it is sale of old newspaper? 500. Subscriptions unnai kada? By subscription. How much is the subscription amount? 15,000 plus outstanding subscriptions unnai. See here, subscription still outstanding amount is 5,000. So we have to add 5,000 to this 15,000, then it will be 20,000. Okay, now we have to total it. Now we have to total on the both sides. Okay, so if you do the total 25,000 plus 5,000, 30,000. 30,000 plus 5,000, 35,000. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. 39,000, 39,000, 17,000, 961, 5, 56, 56,500. Okay, yes, 56, that is 56, wait a second, 25, 50, 25,000, 56, yes, it is 5,000, it is totally 76,500. Okay, 76,500. This is 20,000, right? 20,000, 50,000, 56,000 catches enta 76,000. So 76,500, and this is also 76,500. Okay ma, ante kada? 25,000 plus 5,000, 30,000. 30,000 plus 5,000, 35. 35 after 36. This is 1,000. You consider it 1,000. 36, 37, 38. You rendu kalpite 39. 39 ki 17 add cheste enta ostundi 56. 56 ki 20 add cheste 76. 76 plus 500, 76,500. So now 1,000, 1,150 means 2,150. 2,150 plus 2,000, 4,150. 4,150 plus 6,000, 10,150. 10,150 plus 2,000, 12,150. So 12,150 ni 76,500 lo nunchi తీసేస్తే చూడాలి. 76,500 12,150. 0, 5, 3, 4, 6. 64,350. So to surplus, that is how much? 64,350. 64,350 is the surplus amount. Okay, 64,350 is the surplus amount. Once again I will explain you the same problem. See here, they are given the receipts and payments, and they have given the adjustments, means additional information also they given. From that we have to prepare the expenditure and incomes account. So first you see here, capitalized 50% of donations, legacies, entrance fee and life membership fee. 50% చేయమంటున్నాడు. 50% అంటే చూడండి, 50 by 100 means 50 1s are 52s are, it means 1/2 నే కదా, అందుకని నేను 1/2 రాసుకున్నా. మీరు కావాలంటే 50 by 100 కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు. సో బై డొనేషన్స్ 50,000 into 1/2 25,000. By legacies 10,000 into 1/2 5,000. By entrance fee 5,000 into 1/2 2,500. By life membership fee 3,000 into 1/2 1,500. Okay, ikkadiki అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్కమ్స్ ఏమున్నాయి? స్పోర్ట్స్ ఇన్కమ్ ఉంది 5,000. సన్రీస్ మీన్స్ అదర్ ఇన్కమ్స్ అన్నట్టు 500. 5,000. సేల్ ఆఫ్ ఓల్డ్ న్యూస్ పేపర్ 500 ఉంది. సో అవి కూడా రాసుకున్నాను. సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ ఒకటి మిగిలిపోయింది. సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్స్కి అవుట్ స్టాండింగ్స్ ఇచ్చిండు, అది ఎండ్ కాబట్టి యాడ్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం. ప్రొఫార్మా ఉంది కదా, దాని ప్రకారం యాడ్ చేసుకుంటే 20,000. వెన్ యూ టోటల్ దీస్ ఆల్ యూ విల్ గెట్ 76,500. Here you see the given depreciation on sports material and furniture, that is 10%. So first I am doing the depreciation on furniture, depreciation on sports material. Then after I am going to see any kind of expenditures are there. We have general expenses, sports expenses, magazines. These are the expenditures. So I have writing those things on the expenditure side. So when I am subtracting the incomes from the I am subtracting the expenditures from the income, then I am getting the surplus. It means that the income is more than the expenditure. So this is your sixth problem. Okay, now let us see the seventh problem. Okay, now let us see seventh problem, what is given in this. So in the seventh problem, receipts and payments account of Sri Kala Nilayam Nirmal for the year ended 31st 3rd 2019. For that they have prepared the receipts and payments account. So these are the receipts and these are the payments. Okay, these are the receipts and these are the payments. So what they have given, balance 2500, subscriptions they are given for the year ఎప్పుడు ఎండ్ అవుతుంది, 2019కి ఎండ్ అవుతుంది. అంటే 2019 అనేది ఏంటిది, కరెంట్ ఇయర్. ఓకే, ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాబ్లం లెక్క. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇయర్, దిస్ ఈస్ ద 2019 to 18 means 19 is the end of the year, 18 is the beginning of the year. Okay, next entertainment receipts, sale of old furniture, that's book value is 120, actually they sold for 320 means profit kada. Actually దాని వాల్యూ వచ్చేసి 120 బుక్ వాల్యూ, ఓల్డ్ న్యూ ఫర్నిచర్ వాల్యూ వచ్చేసి 120, కానీ వాళ్ళు 320 కమ్మిండ్రు మీన్స్ there is a profit. నెక్స్ట్ బై సాలరీస్, బై ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్, జనరల్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్, ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్, ప్రింటింగ్, ఫర్నిచర్, బ్యాలెన్స్ క్యారీడ్ ఆన్. అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్స్ చూడండి, అవుట్ స్టాండింగ్ సాలరీ 500, అవుట్ స్టాండింగ్ సాలరీస్ 500 అంటే ఏం చేయాలి, అవుట్ స్టాండింగ్ సాలరీస్ మనం ఇప్పుడు యాడ్ చేసుకుంటాం. ఓకే, అవుట్ స్టాండింగ్ సాలరీస్ అనేవి యాడ్ చేసుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ అవుట్ స్టాండింగ్ ఫర్ 2018 to 19 1000, అంటే మనం ఇప్పుడు అంతా తీసుకోవద్దు, దీన్ని మాత్రమే తీసుకొని దీనికి అవుట్ స్టాండింగ్ యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి అట్ ద ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇయర్ కదా. డిప్రిసియేషన్ ఆన్ ఫర్నిచర్ 10% డిప్రిసియేషన్ చేయాలి ఫర్నిచర్ మీద. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ అండ్ దట్ ఈస్ ద అడిషనల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. లెట్ us do this problem also. సో ఫస్ట్ ఏం రాద్దాం, ఎక్స్పెండిచర్స్ రాసుకుందాం. సో ఎక్స్పెండిచర్స్ అంటే మనకు ఇవి. సో 2 సాలరీస్, దానికి అవుట్ స్టాండింగ్ ఉంది చూడండి అమ్మ పైన అడిషనల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్లో. సో 3000 ప్లస్ అవుట్ స్టాండింగ్ ఎంత ఉంది, అవుట్ స్టాండింగ్ 500 ఉంది. సో 3500. నెక్స్ట్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ ఎక్స్పెండిచర్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో అన్ ఎక్స్పెండిచర్ రైట్. entertainment expenditure or expenses, whatever it may be, 1600. Then after general expenses, to general expenses, how much it is, 600 general expenses. Afterwards investment, we won't take printing, printing and stationery pro forma lo kuda rapicha. So printing, that is 1400. Furniture, we have the depreciation, adjustment is there. So depreciation on furniture 10%, right? So 8000 into 10 by 100, that is how much it is, 80. Yes, how much it will be, 80. So next let us write on the income side. So subscription, first we will write by subscriptions. So according, this year is ending at the 2019 means what is the financial year for this problem, 2018. 1st April 2018 to 31st March 2019 is the financial year. So here also I am taking these as the base for the subscription. So 4500 plus outstanding additional information they have given here, outstanding subscription 2018 to 19 1000. So I am adding those things. So 5500 is the amount here. Afterwards entertainment receipts, receipts means income, right? Receipts means what, income. So by entertainment receipts, entertainment receipts, how much it is, 2080. After that sale of old furniture, actually its value is 120, but they sold for 320 means 200 profit they got. So by profit on sale of old furniture. Old furniture. How much it is, ma? 320 minus 120. That is 200 is the profit. Okay, it is very easy problem. ఎక్కువ ఏమంటారు టఫ్గా ఏం లేదు, సింపుల్గా ఉంది, రైట్? సో నౌ ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ ద టోటల్ ఆఫ్ దిస్. కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయినాయి కదా. సో 5,500, 2,080, 200, 7,780, 7,780, 7,780. సో దిస్ సైడ్ తక్కువ ఉంది. 3,500 ప్లస్ 1,600 వచ్చేసి 5,100 ప్లస్ 6,000, 5,700, 5,700 ప్లస్ 6,700, 700, 6,700, 700, 8,000, 8,180 minus 7,780 means it is 600. So to surplus 600. Okay, that is the difference kada. 7,500, 1,600 enta 5,100, 5,100 plus 600, 5,700 plus 1,400, 5,700 plus 1,400, 7,180. దాంట్లో నుంచి దీన్ని తీసేస్తే 6,000 వచ్చింది, రైట్? So this is the surplus, means income is more than the expenditure. Okay, so this is the 7th problem. Observe the problem.